All right, Tim, turn the headlights on. All right, high beams. All right, parking lights. All right, the flashers. All right, turn on the electric fan. See that? All right, there you got the blinkers on. Passenger side. Want to hit the horn. All right, want to do the wipers. Those are individual wipers. There's one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. Go ahead and do the driver's side. There you go. All right. All right. Got the four ways on. Blinker. Other side. All right. And license plate light. The Madman Muntz up. Go ahead and start it up. Turn. Ready for the West Coast. Go ahead and shut it off.